Yung pang boy, she say yung pang boy, yung pang boy. Untuk dia mobil man, sewi ko pacapan. Going up and down, so the tequila session. Here we get to Chinese woman. You get one, and I me get one. My Chinese girl start to sing to me. She got everywhere, she got sing to me. She said, lang pai. Kokotida, you tell me why. Lang pai. Kokotida, you tell me why. Baby, tell me why. Start to sing to me. But you start sing, me couldn't say a thing. She said, yung pang boy, me say yung pang boy. Yung pang boy, me say yung pang boy. Yung pang boy, me say yung pang boy. Boy, 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 now in case you want to know the meaning of yung pang, don't ask me another Chinese man. You say ask me something, you say ask me someone. Ask me something or even me something. Why? Now as long as the session it went on, the girl, the Lord keeps singing her song. She say yung pang boogie, me say yung pang boy. Yung pang boogie, me say yung pang boy. Yung pang boogie, me say yung pang boy. Now ang kita kasi din nakana. She put her hand on to my shoulder. She said, yes, look up to you, love with your body. Although you know I am a Chinese. No booking on the lata in a different color. Reason after anchata, but the girl keeps singing this all night long. Keep singing the same old song, boy. She said, yung pang boogie, me say yung pang boy. 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 Hey, no in case you want to know the meaning of yung pang. Don't ask me another Chinese man, me say ask me something, me say ask me someone.